your goddess, Donna Minaj. Hi, hope everyone's doing well during these times with COVID and everything. I know I'm doing great. Today, I just thought I'd pop on here and do a quick video. Today's a very special video. Today is an unboxing video. So I was on Poshmark recently and I found these amazing shoes. So let's get right into it. So I've got my scissors and I've got my box right here that contains the shoes. So let's give her a open, shall we? Nope, there's tape on the bottom. Okay. I wasn't sure if they taped the bottom or not. Oh, that was easy. So let's open this up. And what do we have here? Oh my God. These are, let me just get out of the way. So apparently these are a pair of authentic Christian Louboutin shoes. And I can't wait to get right into it. So they're in this style, very new, very privé, 120 millimeter heel. Ooh, in the color black silver, size 38, and they were purchased from Holt Renfrew. I have no idea. So I found these on Poshmark, and it was a really good deal that I got. I'm not going to say how much I paid because I don't want everybody to know, but this is a very good find, very rare. So let's dive in. So let's open up the box, and it has the paper, the tissue paper, which is a good sign, and got extra tissue paper. So we have the dust bag, the Christian Louboutin official dust bag. Let's put that over there. Open up the dust bag. Oh, these are stunning. Oh, so the seller did have them resold, which is a very good thing. She had a toppy put on them to protect the shoe, because when you're wearing shoes like this, you really want to protect them. Let's remove the pad. And let's try it on. My feet are not in the best of condition, so let's just give them a quick wipe. Because I've been outside, I had to collect them from the mailman, so my feet have sweated a little bit. So we're going to try on the right side shoe, and hopefully everything goes well. I can just get my foot in. Ooh-cha. There we go. There we have it. She is a little snug. Just a slight side of my foot's out. That's okay. It's a little bit tight, but hey, Christians are not known for comfort. Let's pull out the second pair of lubes. And these are absolutely stunning shoes. Just make sure my feet are clean. Don't want to dirty up these lubes. to the shoe. So these size 8s fit, but they're tight, as you can see. But that's a good thing. That's what you want when wearing lubes. You want them tight. You want them a tight fit, but you don't want them. Let's bring the camera closer. You don't want them loose. So the general rule with lubes is you want them to fit right. You want them to fit tight. And they're just stunning shoes. This is my second pair of lubes. Okay? My first pair are a gorgeous Baroque Oxford. I want to say. Also purchased on Posh. If you guys want to see all my Poshmark shoes, I will create a video just for that. And if you want to see all my Poshmark designer purchases, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and hit the bell notifications, because I will be trying to post more videos more often. And now I will give you a demonstration of how the shoes walk. Thank you all for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed everything you see. I enjoy making content for everyone. Again, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the videos and comment down below, and hit the notification bell to see any upcoming videos I make.